Over here, you can see that I got a bunch of layers right here. And I'm in the expert mode on the layer panel right here. And here you can see that I got two layers, and one of them is named as shape 1 and another one as shape 2. So what you may want to do is you might want to have more meaningful names. And in that case, what you can simply do is you can go around over here and double click on the name that is originally there, and you can go around and rename the layer to whatever you want right here. So I'm just going to go around and name mine TutorTube right here. And for this one, let me just go around and say purple square, purple rectangle right here, purple rec right here, just like this. So you can see that the names are more meaningful right here, just like this. You can also go around and right click on a layer that you want to rename, and you can click on rename layer right here, and then just go around and type around over here just like this as well to name the layer according to how you like it. So that is how you can rename it. And if you want to delete out a layer, then you can simply select out a layer and press the delete key on your keyboard. Let me just go around onto edit and undo the deleted layer. And now if I want to delete it, the other option that I have over here is to click on the delete layer button right over here as well. And you can go around and press yes to confirm it, and you can see that the layer gets deleted just like that. So that is how you can rename layers and delete layers inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.